location and respected honorary Vice Chancellor and other dignitaries on the dais. I want to say a few words about the prospective research in coming years and going on now. So this is what is basically research. It gives you the food for your mind. So if you are not happy with the luxury and the day-to-day living, then you can think about the research. That is the thing I believe. So I started like that because I was in industry for 9 years and then I left the industry, did my masters and then PhD and then joined the faculty in computer science. So there are, just yesterday I was discussing with Leon that no area is left where computer science research has not entered. So as the Vice Chancellor has already told that basically you are lucky that you are reading computer science, and if you are interested then you can pursue research in future also. So that is a very prospective profession, you can say. So I have just jotted down a few topics which you might be knowing but still I want to emphasize just for sake of completeness more or less about research what it is in computer science. So in theoretical computer science I have divided in 4 parts. Theoretical computer science, then hardware systems, then computing and networks, and then applications. Okay? And so, in theoretical computer science, we have read something like data structures, algorithms. So those are the items that you will find, subjects you will find in the book. But if you go into details, then the main areas in theoretical computer science are: one is graph and hypergraph algorithms, and related areas also are there. I am just mentioning the major ones. Graph drawing. So given a graph, how to draw it. If it is a planar graph, then how to draw it on the plane. So there are different algorithms on that, and still developing, because graphs for very complex networks, graph representation is a must for visualization. Then computational geometry and geometry graphs, digital geometry, discrete geometry, combinatorial algorithms, game theory, computational topology, approximation algorithms. These are read, these are studied, and these are taught in advanced courses, especially in master's degree in many universities. Approximation algorithms, randomized algorithms, computational complexity, computational number theory, and cryptography. So these are the major areas of theoretical computer science. Hardware systems include VLSI and testing, VLSI scheduling, floor planning, etc. Then formal verification of circuits and systems, embedded systems for different engineering fields, low power systems, hardware security, and so on. In computing and networks, we find distributed computing, cloud computing. These are very hot areas nowadays. Mobile computing, sensor networks, network security, complex networks. Then comes information retrieval, data mining, machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, in which you have to process the languages as you speak or as you write in different languages. Okay? So that may include Sanskrit also. So any language. So when it is there in the website, or it is there in some forum or anywhere in the internet. So how to parse them and how to interpret them, how to analyze them, that comes from natural language processing. Database and big data handling. This is also a very new area. In applications, there is software engineering, different tools and techniques, and testing. In computer graphics, there is modeling, simulation, visualization, etc. In multimedia, there are video and audio processing. Then comes image processing, image analysis, computer vision, like in navigation, in road and space, in different robotics applications, bioinformatics, that includes protein analysis, docking, protein docking, etc. So these are very upcoming areas and they have been established, and people work in these areas across many universities. Body systems, artificial neural network, human-computer interaction, medical imaging. So these are the areas. There will be few leftover because I have just not done from my just last minute knowledge. Okay. So these are the areas that you can work on. If some particular area interests you, then you can think about doing work or doing research or taking your profession in that particular order, in particular line. So I think I will be speaking on some particular problem of computational geometry and discrete geometry, and other speakers are also there who will be speaking on possibly mobile computing, right? Immediate programming. Okay. So these are the related things. These are the technical things, different algorithms, and how different problems will be solved by this. So that I think will enrich you today, and you find it quite enlightening. Okay. So that's all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your brief insight on CMA. Now, I will take the privilege to request Joshna Kumar Mandal, sir, to give the vote of thanks.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, with your permission, I would like to propose vote of thanks. Sir, it was only your inspiration that we could put this workshop present here before all of our participants, research scholars. Particularly we made for the research scholars and MCA final year MTech students and BTech final year students. So, sir, if they will be motivated, I think surely. So I'd like to thank you, sir, on behalf of this department and family of computer science and engineering under this faculty of engineering, technology and management, because sir, this faculty is very small, sir. They are like a small family under your large umbrella. Thank you, sir, for your coming to the department first time. So you just have a glimpse of our department, what we have tried earlier and we are trying. And sir has already promised us to develop this hall with a good look with all other things. Sir, we shall ask for you for that, so that we can develop this hall in a much better way, so that people from industry and academia will come and interface with our various people and students. Thank you, sir, once again. I would like to thank Professor Parthu Bhomik, who has come all the way from Kharagpur IIT to here in our invitation to this small university here, so that we can interact with the people from IIT, with our participants and particularly our students and scholars in the department. Thank you, Professor Parthu Bhomik. Our respected dean, Professor Manav Sannal, he is always with us in all of our development activities. I would like to thank on behalf of the department, our head and convener, their entire effort, dynamic leadership that growing this department in a better way. A lot of people here. We have Professor Parthu Sarkar, Ashok Chattopadhyay. We are very much happy that all of them have come to this department for this interface programs. I would like to thank all the participants, because some of the participants all the way they have come from North Bengal region to here to have interface with the experts. So definitely that is our great success of this workshop. And this is, as Professor Mahapatra told, that this is the second time in a series, because just last year 22nd and 23rd April we have started with this CMA from the statewide university network program from the higher education. Sir, we shall continue this and try to continue this program along with your inspiration, definitely. I would like to thank all of the participants from various institutes, colleges, universities, and I would like to thank to all of the people present here. I cannot name all of them, all the faculty members, all the officers, all the teachers, students, and thank you all for coming here. I think the CMA will be once again a great success for this year also. Thank you all very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. I believe CMA will be a grand success. Now, the preceding session is full of zeal and valuable information. So please stay tuned for it. Thank you. This is for it. Thank you.